I was coming home from the hospital with my wife. Out of nowhere, this car flies up on the side of us. By the time we pull over, I'm on my phone dialing 911, and then it flies past us and it just keeps going. My name is Joshua Hughley. I'm originally from Indiana, currently living in Maryland. I'm combat cameraman with the U.S. Army. 2 months after I first started driving with Nexar, I had my first accident. So the second accident, we're coming up to an intersection, it's a double right-hand turn lane. As we're exiting the curve, she turns into me and completely destroys the rear end of my vehicle. Once the police saw the video, they were able to make a split-second decision that it wasn't my fault because it was all on video. It was super obvious who hit who and who was at fault. I'm really happy with Nexar. The quality of the camera, the images, the app has been fantastic. If it detects a hard brake or just something weird happen, it'll automatically save a clip and mark it so you can easily find it later on. Both accidents, had I not have had Nexar dash camera, I don't know how they could have ended. It would have been a huge battle with both insurance companies. To all my friends, I always recommend the Nexar simply for the fact it just makes dealing with the insurance companies that much easier, as well as it's just peace of mind knowing that everything's recorded and there's no question about who's at fault.